my friends. Hope all of you are doing well. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to On. Guess what season we're in? That's right, my friends. Fall, and you know what that means. And my favorite, I just love this time of the year, from the fresh pumpkins to the autumn leaves. Ain't nothing like the smell of fall. Well, to kick off the fall season, I'm going to show you how to make homemade pumpkin pie spice, and you won't believe how simple and easy it is to make. And once you make this, you'll never buy it from the grocery store again. So grab all your spice and sugar, because we're about to make some pumpkin spice magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my bowl, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, and 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a half a teaspoon of ground cloves, a fourth of a teaspoon of ground allspice, and a pinch of ground cardamom, which is an eighth of a teaspoon. And we're going to stir all these together until they're nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Homemade pumpkin pie spice. And it smells incredible up in this kitchen. Smells like the fall. It will go great with your favorite pumpkin, sweet potato, and apple recipes. Let the fall baking begin. Well, my friends, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat and happy fall.